So today I'm reviewing these Cranberry Advanced Bladder Health Urinary Tract Support. It's duck flavor, so be aware that if your dog is very picky and prefers chicken or beef, then just be aware of that. It's all breeds. It's for all breeds and all ages. It's for kidney health, UT support, immune function, as cranberry D-Mannose and astragalus root. It comes with 120 soft chews, but it comes with a pack of 2. And let's see, it has egg powder, calcium, monohydrogen, phosphate, yeast powder, sulfate, fish oil, and has a lot of other stuff too. No corn, wheat, sugar, and recommend to use within 90 days of opening. So this is what you pretty much get. For 25 pounds or less, 2 chews a day. 26 to 75 pounds, 4 chews a daily. And for 76 pounds or more, 6 chews daily. And this is good for literally like my senior dog. She gets UTIs a lot. So this is something I'm definitely going to be giving her to see if I see a difference, because she is very much needed it, and I'm like, I don't want her to keep taking antibiotics and things like that. And hopefully this is something that can help her get even less UTIs and stuff. So yeah.